Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this tutorial, I'd like to talk about one of the most important Austrian words. For many people, it is a kind of test whether or not you are able to talk Austrian German if you are able to pronounce this word correctly. The famous word is OACHKATZLSCHWOAF. In this video, I'll show you what it means in English and offer a step-by-step guide how to pronounce it like Austrians do. So please stay tuned. The learning goal of this Austrian German tutorial is to learn how to pronounce the word OACHKATZLSCHWOAF in Austrian German. We are going to study the word step by step together. In general, OACHKATZLSCHWOAF means the tail of a squirrel. In Standard German, you find versions like Eichhörnchenschwanz or Eichkätzchenschwäf. But now let's find out how we pronounce the tail of a squirrel in Austrian German. Let's divide the word OACHKATZLSCHWOAF into small bits, which will make it much easier. First things first, OA. The pronunciation is rather easygoing. If it's too strict, like OA, it wouldn't sound like the original. We say OA. The second bit is CH. If this sound doesn't exist in your language, it's a bit like snoring. So we can combine the first two bits, OACH, meaning oak. The third bit is rather easy, K. However, the next bit is quite tricky, Zl. If you're interested in typical Austrian sounds, please check out my video about it in the right hand corner. We can combine the next two bits, Katzel, meaning little cat. So we got the first part of the word, OACHKATZL. Now let's turn to the second part and start with the first bit, schw. If you're interested in linguistics, you may have come across the schwa sound. This is the schwa. The next bit is easy again, OA, so we're familiar with it, OA. Now there's just one letter missing, namely F. And we can combine the second part, schwoaf, meaning tail. Now we're able to combine all the bits for the difficult word. First a bit slower and then normal speed. OACHKATZLSCHWOAF. I hope that after having watched this video, it's a bit easier for you to pronounce the difficult word OACHKATZLSCHWOAF. If you're interested in Austrian German accents and dialects, I recommend my playlist about the topic. Have a nice day, see you in the next Austrian German tutorial. Auf Wiederschauen und Servus.